has his gear on. You ready to try? Wow. Oh.
Welcome to Ryan's Family Review.
Okay, you ready to go on the horsey ride?
Yeah.
Yeah? We're waiting in line to go there. Kate, you ready? Kate is sitting on an elephant.
This is Ryan. You're riding on the horse. And Emma right here. You okay? You not scared? Okay, I'll hold you. I'll hold you.
It's Mommy and Kate. Hi. She changed her mind. Now she wants a kangaroo. Hi, Emma. Hi, Ryan. Hi, Daddy. Hi. Look at Kate. You like it? Woo. Go, Kate. Yeah, you go, Kate. Go, Kate. I know. Good job, Kate. You like it? Woohoo! Go, Kate. Go, Kate. I know. Good job, Kate. We go again. Kate wants to go again. You like it? Hi. Woohoo! Then Ryan's there by himself this time, Ryan. Hi. Now Ryan's gonna show you guys how to play. Woo! Whoa, go Kate!
He's just giving me 0.
Whoa. Whoa. 8,000, Ryan. Now Ryan's gonna try to get a ducky. Go, Ryan.
You got it? I'm thinking,
Oh no! Wanna try again? You wanna try? Oh, this is duckies too. Whoa. Go, Ryan.
want me to get the dinosaur?
Yeah. Whoa! Ryan, you did it. Did you get it?
Good job, Ryan.
Oh, cute. Love it. Which one, Emma? Whoa. This is cute. Yeah. Daddy's gonna try.
I'll try your hard.
Yeah, Daddy, try.
Can I get it? Ah!
Oh, sorry, Daddy.
Hard.
Let me try.
You wanna try? Brian's gonna try for the dinosaur. Oh, so close. Okay. Oh, this is too hard. Too hard. Woo! Now Ryan's trying to try basketball. I need Daddy's help. Wow, you made it, Ryan. They don't like it. Wait. You did it, Ryan. See? All right, hey, what'd you guys score? 546, Daddy.
What's this deal?
0.
No, we got more than that.
Good job. Woo! Hi, everybody.
Hi.
We're just chilling up here on the deck. She's excited. It's nighttime, so we're just hanging out before dinner. Your hair clip came off.
Yeah, my hair.
We're just chilling. We don't know what to do right now. We're waiting for dinner to start. We're up top, so that's where the slides are at. Look at that. People sliding right now. Look. Woo! You see people sliding? Whoa! She's stuck. Whee! Did you see, Kate? Yeah? Yeah. Did you see Emma? Yeah, you sit down and look.
I think if I go there, I might not get stuck.
Yeah, you're too short, Ryan. Maybe next year, okay? What about the slide? Okay, you can go on the slide. Okay. So they have like this little kids area here. You driving? Ooh. And you're gonna go on the slide? Go, Kate. You go on the slide too? Okay. Oh, you crawling? Whee! Uh-oh, you okay? Okay. Whee! Go, Kate. Whee! Okay. You want me to push you? Choo choo choo. Baby, choo 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 choo. That's it? These are place set and they're gonna cook. No cooking? You can wash hands. There you go, wash hands. Oh, that's cooking. Uh-oh. I'm gonna slide down again? Whee! Hi, what is that? Wow. Next, we're gonna go to the candy store tonight. Look, girl, so much candy. Ooh, a giant teddy bear. Ooh, and what candy you want? You wanna go look? Let's look, come on. So this is a candy place. Have so many different colors to choose from. Ryan wants the Sour Patch.
Oh, how do you get this?
You just crawl it out, I know.
Oh, this way?
You want that candy?
Right now? One more.
There's so many different kinds. You want that one? Okay. You want gummy wheels? Which one, Kate? This one? Okay, so Kate also wants some gummy frogs. You're good. Are you good? What? Ryan, you planning to have a gummy party? That's a lot. You ready? All right, let's go. Let's go pay for it. You can eat it. Come on. Let's go. We just came back and now, oh, you're gonna eat some candy?
I eat frog feet.
It's a frog. Yeah, you eat frog's feet?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Duh.
You eat a star? Oh, what are you eating, Ryan?
I'm eating gummy bears.
Now we're gonna try to ice skate like that.
I'm gonna try ice skating.
This is the ice skating place. Have you ever ice skate before?
Well, it's 4.
Yeah, but that was a long time ago, so we'll see. All right, Ryan has his gear on. You ready to try? Whoa. Be careful. I know. Hold the side. Hold the side, Ryan. Go slowly. Go, Ryan. Woo. Whoa. Go, Ryan. Ryan said skating. How was it?
Good.
Ryan fell a couple times, but he got a lot better. You could even, at the end, you skated a little bit without touching the side. If you want to do something, you gotta keep practicing, right? Just like, remember how when you learned to ride a bike, what did you do? You practiced for
Like 3 days, but 2 hours and a half.
Exactly. If Ryan wants to learn to skate, then he has to go to the ice skating ring and practice all the time, right? You see the lights? You see the lights? Yeah, the holes. We're just out here waiting for an ice show to start. Have you ever been to an ice show?
That was our first time. Well, we've been to Disney on Ice.
That's true. You remember? They never been to an ice show before. We're here. So many people. Ryan's right there. Are you excited? Yeah?
Stop in there.
You see it?
Stop
at the show. Let's go. Let's
That was
go.
really good.
You liked it? You liked it?
Yeah, they only fell down 2 times.
Well, they did their best, Ryan, right? All right, let's go back to our room. Let's go. Let's go. Uh-oh. Okay, let's go inside. Let's go.
Thank you for joining me on our cruise. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a good night. Bye.
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 Bye. We're gonna just relax and then go to bed, right?
No, go to bed.
No, go to bed. Oh, this is where Ryan gotta go to bed. Kids Capsule Hotel. Good night. Emma and Kate gonna go to bed too. Good night.
Parents, Ryan's World Toys and Clothing are now available at Walmart, Target, Smith Toys in the UK and Ireland, along with Big W in Australia. There's also Meet Ryan book to learn all about what Ryan's like.
Hi, my name is Ryan and I am 7 years old. My favorite colors are neon blue and neon green.
There's also Ryan's bike with Combo Panda that Ryan used to learn to ride a bike with no training wheel, available at Walmart. For
Let it
now,
go. Good job.
Make sure you stay in the middle, Ryan.
Whoa. Good job, buddy.
Please click on one of these videos for Ryan Toy Review more fun.